Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Sorensen.
I'm Zoe Graham.
We're with an organization called optiMize. We help students start self-directed projects that aim to make the world more just and more sustainable.
A core part of optiMize's programming is our series of skill-based workshops. Today we're at the last workshop of the season. We're going to show you around. Come on in.
Come on. An optiMize workshop is really the time during the Social Innovation Challenge when we bring together everybody all in the same room at the same time to make progress on their projects, get a sense of the community that they're a part of, and hear from speakers that we bring in to teach skills that you might not get in a classroom.
We make sure to provide a lot of time for people to meet each other, to socialize, and to build the community. In addition to making sure that it doesn't feel like an academic environment, we also just want to make sure that everyone feels like the environment is accessible and healthy and nurturing, and that we all care and support each other. It's important that the cohort doesn't feel competitive, but instead like we're all there to support each other and all there to help each other.
We actually have 5 of these workshops throughout the Social Innovation Challenge. The first workshop is focused on visioning. The second one is focused on creating a prototype and being able to get feedback by actually putting something out to the world. The third one is really focused on helping people realize the resources that they have in each other. So we do something where people post what they're hoping for, and everyone else goes around and puts little sticky notes on saying suggestions or tips or something to help them meet that goal. The fourth workshop is actually a prototype showcase. And then our final workshop is on how to tell a really compelling story about you and your project. So the hope of the curriculum as a whole over the course of 5 workshops is to help somebody, no matter what stage they're at, have some useful tools that they can apply to whatever it is that they're doing.
We want to make sure that people leave the workshop feeling energized.
People like the feeling of having made something. Even if it's something really small, it feels like I did something here today.